Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of connecting your Shopify store with Printify so you can start creating and selling custom products as part of your print-on-demand business. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to streamline your setup, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify store. If you don't already have a Shopify account, you can easily create one using your email or even your Google account. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, you might be wondering how exactly to add custom products or launch a print-on-demand business on your store. The answer is simple. You need to connect your Shopify store to Printify. Now open a new tab and go to printify.com. Printify is a free platform that allows you to create and sell custom products using their large network of print providers. They offer more than 800 high-quality items including clothing, accessories, home goods, posters, mugs, and much more. You can sign up for a free Printify account using your email or Google account. No payments needed to get started. After signing up, you'll be taken to your Printify dashboard. This is where you can explore all the product categories, check printing options, and access tools to design your products. You'll find categories like men's clothing, women's clothing, accessories, home decor, and many other product types you can customize for your store. To connect Shopify, look for the My Stores section on your Printify dashboard. Click Add New Store, and from the integration options, choose Shopify. Printify will now ask you to enter your Shopify store URL. You can find your store URL directly in your Shopify admin. It usually ends with .myshopify.com. Copy that URL, paste it into Printify, and then click Connect. You'll be prompted to approve and install the Printify app inside your Shopify store. Continue through the prompts, sign into your Printify account again if needed, and the connection will be completed automatically. There's also another method. You can connect Printify through the Shopify App Store. Just go to the Apps section inside your Shopify admin, click Shopify App Store, and search for Printify. When the Printify app appears, click Add App and then follow the same login steps to complete the connection. Once your store is successfully connected, you can begin creating products directly inside Printify. Choose any product you like, and you'll get access to templates, design tools, and built-in graphics. You can adjust the design's position, resize your artwork, change the layout, or add text and images to both the front and back of the item. Take your time to make the product look exactly the way you want. After designing, fill in all the product details. Select the available variants such as sizes, colors, and materials. Set your pricing based on your profit goals. When everything looks good, save your product and Printify will automatically generate high-quality mock-up images for your listing. Before publishing, you can review or edit the product's title, description, and tags to match your branding. Once you're ready, choose whether you want to publish the product directly to your Shopify store or save it as a draft for later. When published, the product will appear in your Shopify products section, ready for customers to view and purchase. Connecting Shopify with Printify is extremely straightforward, and once they're linked, you unlock endless opportunities to create and sell custom products without needing inventory or upfront investment. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you get your print-on-demand business set up smoothly. Happy selling.